This is Luke, a respectable family man. Today is his birthday. This is his wife Lena and son Ethan. They're going to throw a lovely surprise for him tonight. Let's see how Brilong's smart door lock and video doorbell cloud service can make your life safer and more convenient. When you're not at home, you can share an e-key with visitors. Brilong Smart Door Lock will also help you welcome visitors if you're busy at that moment. Left the door unlocked again? Don't worry, because Brilong can automatically detect the door and lock it. Also, you can use Brilong's app to check the lock online. When a stranger lingers for more than your set limited time, Brilong Smart Door Lock will alert you with a visual image through your mobile phone. Brilong will stay alert to make your home more secure. Brilong Smart Door Lock will make it more convenient for your trusted friends and family to come in.
Oh, wow! Yay. Wow! Look at this!
With Brilong, every family will live a more convenient, happier, and safer life. Brilong.